Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Collaborator in your GitHub. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in github.com and click on Enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, open any one of your repository where you want to add a collaborator. Now, on the top navigation bar, you will see Settings button. Click on it. After that, under General section, you will see Collaborators button. Click on it. Here, you can see Manage Access. After that, click on Add People button. Now, you need to type in username, full name or email of the person you want to add. After typing, you can see Invite to Tests, which is a repository. Now click on it and click on Add to this repository. After that, you will see Pending Invite here. After they accept your invitation, your collaborator will be added in a repository. If you want to remove it, simply check this box here and click on Remove button here. So that is how you can add collaborator in GitHub. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.